Hi friends, welcome to our channel. How about meatballs for lunch or dinner today? If you decide to cook meatballs, then this is an excellent idea for a second course, because once you have made a homogeneous mixture of all the necessary ingredients, you have plenty of room for imagination. You can make baked meatballs, fried meatballs, plain meatballs, meatballs and sauce. If you put aside some ready-made meat mixture, you can prepare a delicious soup with meatballs. You can even make stuffed vegetables. But we will talk about all these recipes in the next videos. For now, let's focus on the fried meatballs. For this recipe of ours we used ground beef 500 grams, ground pork 500 grams, white bread 200 grams, stale breadcrumbs 200 grams, 2 small white onions, 2 medium eggs, 4 cloves of garlic, Parmesan cheese to grate 80 grams, one tablespoon of chopped parsley, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1 liter of seed oil for frying. First step. We soak the white bread in milk so that the bread soaks evenly. Let's leave it like this and deal with other things. Grate the Parmesan coarsely. Let's prepare grated breadcrumbs if you don't already have some ready. Now let's prepare the onion and garlic for our kitchen chopper and let's mix it up a bit. At this point our bread that we put in the milk bath will already be soaked. Let's squeeze it well to eliminate the leftover milk and add it to the food processor. Then we add the chopped parsley and the coarsely chopped Parmesan cheese. Here, in the end we have a homogeneous mixture that easily mixes with the minced meat. We have reached the moment of mixing the minced meat, our mixture that we made in a food processor, the eggs, salt and pepper, and then kneading everything until obtaining a homogeneous mixture. We in the family prefer to leave this mixture of ours for the meatballs to rest in the fridge for a bit, half an hour or an hour, to combine all the tastes. And after that, with the mixture obtained, we form spheres, our meatballs. Wet your hands with a little cold water so that the meat does not stick. Dip the meatballs in the breadcrumbs, and when we have all the balls ready, put the seed oil in the pan. Make sure the oil covers the meatballs well so they will be fried evenly on all sides. If you have a kitchen thermometer, then the temperature of the oil should be around 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, but otherwise, you can put a small crumb of bread in the oil, and when it starts to fry, your oil is ready to fry. Place your meatballs in boiling oil, but don't put too many meatballs at once please, because otherwise they will get soaked in oil and lose their taste. And here your meatballs are ready. We paired them with carrots. You can find the recipe on our channel, we put the link up here. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.